वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। दोस्तों ये देखें जलसे की रौनकें। 3 दिन हमने वहाँ जलसे किए, रूह परवर मनाजर से खूब इस्तिफादा हासिल किया। आज हम बैतुल-सुबूह में हैं और ये जो डेलीगेशन किर्गिस्तान से आए हुए हैं जलसे के लिए, उनमें से चंद दोस्तों से बात हुई है। ये हमारे साथ मुरब्बी साहब भी हैं राइट साइड पे, और बाकी जो इनके साथ दोस्त आए हैं मुकामी किर्गिस्तान से वो खड़े हैं। इनसे थोड़ा एक एक करके छोटा छोटा जो है क्या कहते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं। यू कैन टेल योर नेम एंड योर नेम।
My name is Asılbek.
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 Okay, very nice to know. From Kyrgyzstan. So you,
Salamat.
Suleiman.
Salamat.
Salamat. How long have you been Ahmadi now?
Since 2006.
And can you tell me how you accepted Ahmadiyyat? What was the reason? What was the cause?
It's a long story.
Yeah, you can just short, very short. Can you explain how you met someone and like that?
I used to live in London at the time.
Yes.
So when I was there, I met one Ahmadi brother from Kyrgyzstan.
Okay.
So he also, that time he came for Jalsa Salam UK
yes.
in 2006.
Yes.
So after the Jalsa, I met him.
That's good.
And then he started, we started working together in one company.
Okay.
And, we had conversation,
Yeah.
talking,
Yeah.
question answers. But I didn't accept it,
Yes.
you know, from his words.
Yes.
But he was kept preaching me.
Yeah.
And then, so one day, like I was actually against. I didn't know about religion, nothing.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't know these differences between Ahmadis and non-Ahmadis.
Right,
you know?
right.
For me, everyone, all of them was like Muslim.
Yeah.
And I was like, in some of my parts,
Yeah.
was against some of
Yeah.
this extremism.
Yeah. Yes.
In
Yes.
Islam.
Yeah.
I used to say why Muslims
Yeah.
are doing this,
Yes.
why
Yes. Yes.
Muslims are doing that. You know,
Yeah.
this was my question.
Yes.
So I didn't quite accept it.
Yeah.
When I was talking to him, but then one day, another of my friends came.
Yes.
And he also started preaching, and I was like, "What's going on?"
Yeah.
During this short time, these two people came,
Yes.
and they're two saying one thing, and I'm kind of against.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why I'm against? Let me try to listen to them. So then I started listening them, and then I said teach me how to pray.
Okay.
Then he taught me how to pray, and when I prayed,
Yeah.
so first time in my life, I prayed namaz.
Yes.
And then when I prayed that night, for me was the crucial. You know,
Oh.
I saw a dream.
Okay.
It was an ordinary dream, I was swimming in the lake, but when I wake up, I wake up in different one. It's this feelings I cannot explain by words. I never felt such a feeling in the life.
Yeah.
At all. I mean, before that.
Yeah.
Before that night.
Yes.
So when I wake up,
Yeah.
I was 100% sure
Yes.
that Islam is the true religion
Uh-huh.
and Allah is the
Right.
God.
Right.
So I was crying. It was very, disappointed in
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah.
This year I lived,
Yeah.
and then I never knew that Islam is the true religion and Allah is the real God.
Yes.
But at that time I still didn't know about Ahmadi. So this friend,
Yes.
he suggested me to read the book
Yes.
Philosophy of the Teachings of Islam.
Okay.
So he gave me, and then I was like, okay. And I wasn't that determined to read.
Yes.
I was like, okay, let me try.
Yeah.
So I opened the first page.
Yes.
So as soon as I started reading
Yes.
from the first page,
Yes.
I was like, oh my God, what is this? Who wrote this book? But
Yes.
when I was reading,
Yes.
I didn't know the author.
Yes.
I didn't know who wrote this book.
Yes.
So I was reading, and then when I was reading,
Yes.
in the Russian translation,
Yes.
it's there is no it straight away starts from the conditions of the ruh.
Yes.
You know, condition of the the spirit.
Yes.
You know, the three conditions.
Mm-hmm.
There is no explanation on the on the book. You know, in the Russian translation. So that's why I didn't know nothing about the author of the book.
Yes. Yes.
And then, but when I was reading, I was so amazed.
Yeah.
I was like completely like, you know, shocked.
Yes.
And I was like, oh my God, who the person wrote this book?
Yes.
And inside of me, I was thinking, oh God, you know, please make this person prophet.
Oh.
By myself, you know, I was like, please, because only prophet can write this book.
Okay.
It's impossible. For example, I read many books before that.
Yes.
And then even I cannot write such a book.
Yes.
I cannot explain, like, you know, because the person, the author, he was explaining me to me. Yeah. You know, he was like telling me who I am. I was fully agree with him, you know, every single point. I was like, exactly, yes, you know, like this, and I was enjoying. And then, you know, at the end of this book, where it says the author of the book, he got the revelation. He talked to God. That time I was like, oh my God, like crying. And then, you know, there is a Imam Islam. It says whoever felt little light in their heart, you know, little light, they will like raise up. I mean, he says like raise up. So that when I was reading that that part, I was sitting like this in my room, on my own. And when I read that part, I like stood up like this, and he says like raise up and follow me. And I was like, where I need to go? You know. Really? Then you know, like I was like, okay, you know, like then I quick finished, and then I went to my friend. I said, where is this person? That time there was no internet. Like today. There was no like such a thing, Google, that you search and then you find out.
Which year was that?
2006.
2006.
And you can, you know, like in you know 2 minutes you found everything, you know, like straight away. It wasn't like that. That time was difficult. You know, to find information. So I was just asking from my friend. Like, I want to talk to this person. Where is he? And he said like he passed away like 100 years ago. And I was like, oh my God. Then he's telling me like, you know, to raise up and follow me. So what should I do? And then how? Like I have to follow. And he said like he established the Jamaat. Like I will take you there. So he took me to Baitul Fazl. I went the first time. I mean, after reading this book, same maybe next day, maybe after 2 days, I went to Baitul Fazl. And as soon as
you were living in UK at that time,
so as soon as I entered the Baitul Fazl, not the mosque, there is a building. Like, I think it was empty.
There is.
So there is a picture of Imam Islam. So as soon as I entered, I saw his picture, and I told to my friend, I said, is he the author of the book? He said, yes. How do you know? And I said, you know that the impression of his, you know, that the picture is matches, you know, the book.
You can talk a bit here. Then carry on.
And I said, he matches, you know, like exactly, because he says in the book the purpose of the human being is actually he needs to kill himself. Like he needs to kill this evil, you know, from inside. This shouldn't be me. You know, you have to completely like, you know, like, get rid of me. So in that picture, I didn't see him. You know, I said this. In this picture, I just saw he's like this. He was like kind of real mother, looking to his kids. And then like very sorry, you know, like he wants to like, you know, even on the picture he was like expressing whatever he wrote on the book. So I said like that's why I think like it's him. So then, you know, like I started.
Come here. come on this
I
because
started
that's
reading
better.
the other books,
Yes, yes,
you know,
yeah.
all
Yes.
other books.
Yes.
And then I started going to Fazl Mosque almost
Okay.
like, you know, every week.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, on my day off, I was there. On
Yeah,
my day off, I was
yeah.
there. You know?
Okay.
So then I started like meeting all other Ahmadi
Okay.
brothers. Then I met Huzur.
Ah,
I mean,
yeah.
I met Huzur like just in the mosque.
Yeah.
He was praying behind me.
Yeah.
So I learned how to pray.
Mm-hmm.
And then I started going there, and then I was like so amazed of the Jama'at.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh my God, how come all these good people in the world
Yeah.
gathered in one place?
Yes.
You know, before I used to say, is there any good person in the world?
Yes.
But when I came to Jamaat, I was
Yes.
thinking, oh, here are they.
Yes.
They all gathered here, you know, in one place.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
because everyone, almost like, you know, like 100%
Yeah.
every Ahmadi
Yes.
was so kind, so like, you know, polite to each other, and then especially to the guests.
Yes.
They were like, you know, as soon as you enter, they say, oh, how are you, brother?
Yeah.
Please come,
Yes.
sit, enjoy, you know, like this kind
Yes.
of fun. And
Yes.
it was amazing. And then I was so surprised,
Yes.
and I was so thankful to all Ahmadi brothers
Mm-hmm.
that they are like that they are following the, you know, like Imam Mahdi Islam.
Yeah.
And because of that,
Mm-hmm.
that message is reached to us.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
And then I asked to my brother,
Yes.
that Ahmadi brother,
Yes.
I said like, how did you like
Yeah.
find out? And he told me like in Kyrgyzstan,
Yes.
already like missionaries.
Yes.
This, he explained it, and I called to Kyrgyzstan, to the missionary in charge of
Yes.
Kyrgyzstan Jamaat. And then I called,
Yes.
and then the Moravi Sahib, he took the phone, and I spoke to him over the phone, and I told him, thank you very much.
Yes.
We came to Kyrgyzstan, you
Yes.
brought this message.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So now this message is reached to our country.
Yes.
And now we are like, you know, we
Yeah.
got this message.
Yes.
And thank you very much, thank you very much. And you know, like it was like, you know, that time before I met Ahmadiyya,
Yes.
my life was almost like, that's it.
Yes.
You know? I was thinking like, what's the reason of this life?
Yeah.
What's the point of living
Yeah.
this life?
Yes.
So I got completely lost that time, you know, and then
Yeah.
I was lost. And then I was thinking, what's the reason of living this life, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, what I'm gonna do in this life? I was in such a condition.
Yes.
So as soon as I found out Ahmadiyat, my life is divided into two. Before Ahmadiyat
Yes.
and after Ahmadiyat.
Right. Right.
So I was like, that I have entered the paradise. You know?
Oh, very
And
nice.
like this, like, you know, it was feeling like that. So
Yeah.
I was like, okay, now I don't want to leave this paradise. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to like
Yeah.
touch this, you know,
Yes.
like place
Yes.
like this. Then I met Huzur.
Uh-huh.
I
Okay.
met personally.
Yes.
Then Huzur, like, by the grace of Allah,
Yeah.
he's like organized, you know, the bayat,
Yes.
and then he like invited to Bayt of Fuzul, Fazul, and then he said like, you know, under his head, I did a bayat.
Okay, very nice. Very inspired story. It's when anybody who will listen this, that I think in Urdu, I will explain a little bit in Urdu. ये हमारे दोस्त किर्गिस्तान से, इन्होंने अपनी बहुत ही दिलचस्प जो है अहमदियत कबूल करने की जो पूरी हकीकत बयान की है. जिस शख्स को थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश की समझ आई वो अगर सुन ले, मैंने आज तक इस तरह नहीं सुना कि एक शख्स जो खुद ब खुद अपने शौक़ से, जिसको ज़िंदगी का मकसद का नहीं पता था, तो उसने जब इस्लामी असूल की फ़िलासफ़ी किताब पढ़ी तो कैसे उसके ऊपर जो है हकीकत रोशनास हो गई. इन्होंने डिटेल में बताया है. अब आप उसको ध्यान से सुनेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. वो एक शेर भी है ना, जिसकी जो नेक अपना क्या कहते हैं, नेक फितरत लोग हैं वो आएंगे अंजाम कार, इस तरह का कोई शेर है. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. यू हैव गिवन मी वेरी गुड इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इट कैन बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल द पीपल. थैंक यू.